Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Okay. What is your opinion on live-in relationships?
I would
Do we
say
find an increasing trend?
yes, ma'am.
Nuclear family,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Job exigencies. So, how do you view that?
I would say live-in relationships are a welcome and progressive step towards building families and stronger ties between a man and a woman. Because traditionally in India, what happens is that in arranged marriages, people are not able to bond with their life partners so strongly, and without even knowing them before, they just tie the knot with the other person. However, in live in relationships, one gets to know the other person with whom they have to spend all their life. And therefore, it is important that society evolves through mechanisms such as live in relationships and comes to terms with the premise that it is important for a man and a woman to know each other well before they tie the knot and live forever.
Yeah. Or even if they don't tie a knot and they live forever. That's
Unacademy. Let's crack it.